Hello everyone, welcome to another Riding the Sound episode, and today we're going to return to the alchemical crystal bowls. Now there are crystal bowls and then there's alchemical bowls. The difference is that the alchemical bowls are somehow infused with precious gems and precious metals. Some of them have platinum and gold. Precious gems, sapphires, rubies. I mean, just if you can think of it, alchemical crystal bowls have infused it into their bowls. And of course the price reflects that on the precious gems and the precious metals and other elements as well go into it. And it creates a beautiful sound. I've mentioned in a previous episode that most of the sound experts that I've spoken to, and I really mean experts, have not really said that it makes any difference. And I think, as I mentioned before, those of us who have bought the alchemical crystal bowls thinks it does, and they do look more attractive with their different colors. However, crystal bowls themselves, which are almost pure crystal, have this beautiful tone to them, very different than the Himalayan singing bowls that we've played. I've got all five, the ones that I own anyway, all five alchemical bowls today that I'm going to play. And what a great opportunity it is for you to let go of anything that is ailing you at this time, physical, emotional, mental, even unconscious, something pulling on you. You don't know quite what it is. Great opportunity to let go in the healing sounds of these bowls. A big part of this is your own intention and your own openness. I mean, that's really a big part of it. An even bigger part is the energy field that we create here together. It's not my energy field, it's just the energy field that we create and are a part of. And once we enter that energy field with a clear intention, I think it's fair to say miracles can take place. So I expect a miracle. I always do. I have great trust in the healing power of this sound in combination with the energy field and the openness that we bring to the table. So whatever's bothering you, just have an opportunity to let it go. And with that intention, allow that intention to be carried into the field of grace, the sound being the carrier wave. And just to manifest your dreams, what you wish, for your highest good. So we ask for the highest and purest light from the highest and purest source to surround and fill the space we're in right now, and each one of us for the highest good. And we just let that settle in. In essence, we're calling ourselves forward into this field of light. As I like to say, we're dialing it in. It's already present. There's many frequencies, many vibrations present. Millions, billions of them. We're just dialing it in. And we're just going to the highest and purest light, the light of the Holy Spirit, the light of the Christ, if you will. Whatever word works for you. But just have that idea that it's the highest light. And we also attune to the Christ, our loving. All roads of the harmonic self lead to loving, to love. That's where we're going, that's who we are. Where we're going is where we already are. We just have to kind of peel back those layers. So we connect with our hearts. So oftentimes I'll just touch my heart. I mean, there's all kinds of gestures, right? We put our hands here sometimes we just put our hands like this. Sometimes we have a kind of a prayer mudra, which touches into our hearts. Sometimes it's up like this, sometimes like this. Whatever works for you to bring that loving heart into it. And this loving really works, and then allow that loving to expand through you. I also ask for the mystical traveler consciousness, that inner master that resides within each human being on the planet. Again, it needs to be asked. It needs to be dialed in. So we ask lovingly for the mystical traveler consciousness to come forward from within each one of us to dissolve any upset, any anxiety, negativity, fear, worry, concern, dis-ease. Dissolving, releasing, transmuting that, taking it back into the nothingness from which it came for our highest good. And I also ask for the presence of and the energy of my spiritual teacher, John Roger, to infuse everything we're doing here for the highest good. So we have the loving present with us now, this loving energy field, this field of grace with us. So just allow yourself to move into your intention and to have that intention clear, what you would like for your highest good to be brought into the field of grace to manifest what you would like at this time. And also we just take a moment to send the light to the people in need of it at this time. Plenty of things. Just pick up the newspaper, get online, and there's a deluge of things that need the light at this time. It could be someone very close to you as well. Just send them the light for the highest good. So with all of that, just now relax. Come back into yourself. Close your eyes, if you will, and allow yourself to be carried away with the sounds of the alchemical bowls.